Yes. Any doubt anyone else?
Not out in the S-child home.
Just turn the homework doubt, okay?
Just one. 20th, 29th, and 30th question.
Page number 222.
Yes, ma'am.
28th. IUPAC name.
29th.
Catenation is the ability of an atom to form bonds with other atoms of same element. It is exhibited by both carbon and silicon. Compare the ability of catenation of the two elements. Right? That's what I told you. Carbon being the smaller size, atomic size, the bond between carbon-carbon is much stronger. But in silicon, the sharing of electrons, the bonding catenation will be seen in the third shell, so which is away from the nucleus. So nuclear force of attraction is less. So these compounds are less stable.
Okay, ma'am.
Weak bond and less stability. Carbon has more stability due to its smaller size, so more force of attraction will be nuclear force of attraction will be provided. And carbon can combine hundreds of elements, hundreds of carbon atoms can combine by catenation, by the this one, by combined by covalent bonding. But silicon maximum 8 to 10 atoms will be seen in one chain, not more than 10. Okay. So the answer of the diamonds are artificially made. The question page number 202. Open 202.
Yes, ma'am.
That's the last page, last paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Diamonds. Properties of diamond and graphite. Diamond is a bad conductor. Graphite is a good conductor of current due to presence of free electrons. Diamond is hardest substance. Graphite is brittle.
Ma'am,
What
for the
caused this difference? That difference is because of the presence of free electrons, the bonding between the carbon atoms. Yes.
yes, ma'am, I got. Ma'am, for the 20th one, which structure should we do? They do other than N-hexanes.
Which one?
The 20th question.
2028.
Ma'am, 20th question and 221 page number.
20th. Write down structural formula, electron dot structure of the one isomer of hexane other than n-hexane. The branch structure. N-hexane is a straight line structure.
Yes, ma'am.
So draw the branched. So that is 5 in one line, 5 carbon atoms in one line, and one is branched. And here one. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can show this one also. 1, 2, 3, 4. One carbon here, one carbon here, or here also. Anywhere is possible. This is one more structure. Any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Done. Okay, so we have to check these functional groups. So functional groups, the compounds having OH as a functional group, alcohol. So alcohol series, all the compounds we have to see how are they connected and how to name them. The alcohol is a name or general name for the group of compounds having functional group OH. So first is alcohol group, functional group OH. So this OH is substitutes hydrogen of alkane. So functional group substitute hydrogen of alkanes. Okay. So name, we have to use the suffix. I will explain afterwards. So first compound of this series is with one carbon atom. So it is a methane structure. One hydrogen is replaced with OH. So therefore we write this as CH3OH group. Okay. And in this naming part suffix, it is alkane. The name of the alkane, replace E with OL. So it is, which alkane it is? One carbon atom. So what is the name of the basic alkane?
Meth.
Methane.
Alkane is methane. E was there. We have to substitute E with OL. So name is methanol. Clear? So this is the first compound of alcohol series. Alcohol is not the one compound. There are thousands of alcohol compounds are there. Alcohol is the general name of all these compounds which have functional group OH. Second one with two carbon atoms, ethane. In ethane, one hydrogen is replaced with OH. All other hydrogens are as it is. So this is, we can write as, there are two methods, CH3, CH2OH or C2H5OH. And the name part is, alkane name is ethane. E is there, replace it with OL, ethanol. Okay, with three carbon atoms. 3, 2, 3. Any one of the hydrogen is replaced with OH. It can be more than one hydrogen also can be replaced. So it is written as CH3, CH2, CH2OH or C3H7OH. And the name is, alkane name is propane, E replaced with OL, propanol. Okay, is this clear, alcohol part? Now this is for one alcohol group. One OH is, one hydrogen is only substituted with OH. So you have to draw the structure of butanol and pentanol also. Okay, you have to draw that. Now, if what is the IUPAC name? So whatever you have learning, these are all IUPAC names. IUPAC. The new modern chemistry, chemical names. There are the set of rules has been given by one system which works on chemistry. They have given the set of rules. New set of rules have came into existence. They put forth and made easy to learn those. So all these are the naming system. That's IUPAC naming system has given these names. Earlier it was used, earlier methanol, it was called as methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, butyl alcohol, pentyl alcohols. The earlier naming system, which was much more difficult to understand. So therefore these naming system came into existence. Okay. Now what if there are two OH groups? Suppose there is a butane, that is 4 carbon atoms, and with one OH here, one OH here, the two OH are there. Now how to name it? For that you need the position of those OH, to which carbon atom this OH is connected. Now closer one, you have to always select the closer one. The end, the naming of the carbon, numbering carbon will be done from either of the end, either from right hand side or left hand side. But the rule is the functional group should be closest to that end. Now if you start counting from here, this is 1, 2, 3. So this OH group is connected to the third one, and this OH is connected to the fourth one. But when you start from here, this is to the first one and this is to the second one. So which one is closer end, right or left?
Right.
Right. So numbering will start from this. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Now you have to mention the OH's positions first. 1, 2. Here it is butanol, butane, all, two alls are there. So butane, E is there, and then after that we have to substitute OL. So before that OL, it is 2 are there, so therefore diol. So it shows that this all groups are 2, and this number shows the position. Able to understand? First number shows the position of those hydroxide ions, that's hydroxide groups, that is OH, alcohol groups, OH groups. So this is 1, 2. Now you normal name is butanol, butane E replaced with OL, butanol, but there are two OH groups are there. So we have to show that di. So for 2 we write di, for 3 we write tri, for 4 we have to write tetra, for 5 we have to write penta, for 6 we have to write hexa. So now which is di, that we have to mention. So therefore we bifurcate here. So we write butane, then dash, di, then all. This alcohol groups are 2. To represent this, we do this one. Is it clear? Now tell me this.
Can the OH, both the OH be in the same carbon atom?
Yes, possible. Then here the number remains same. If you connect this OH here itself. Now I will do that one. There are 5 carbon atoms. I will connect it here. This is OH. This is also OH. This is also OH here. And the remaining are hydrogen. Okay. Now there are 3 OH groups are there. 2 are to the one single one, and this is now which end is the closer one? Right end or left end is closer?
Right.
It is.
Right end. So this is 1. Number is 1 here. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. There are 5 carbon atoms. That is pentane part is there. Now there are 3. So write the position. So this 2 OH are connected to the second only. So it is 2, comma 2, comma 3. Pentane dash. How many OH are there?
3.
3. So it is tri all. Clear? Able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write down this part from alcohol.
Ma'am, so from the fourth one, there are more than one OH, ma'am.
No, it's not OH. Can be possible. I'm telling about the, I have given one example. So it can be from the first itself. From methanol itself, you can connect two OH groups. Possible. Methane diol possible. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So double OH, triple OH, 5 OH, anywhere it is possible. I have given example. It is you have to draw the normal butanol and normal pentanol also. You have to draw. I have left space for that, and I have given one example where more than one OH groups can be connected.
Ma'am, but this is only for the alkane group, right?
Alkanes, yes. There are many more other alkenes are also possible. OH group can get connected to the alkenes. So those compound names naming part is different. Right now we are only learning the basic part.
Ma'am, we should draw butanol and pentanol also, right?
Yes, you have to draw those structure normal with one OH groups. Completed, Vishnu?
Yes, ma'am.
These two also? Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is aldehyde. Aldehyde functional group is CHO. Now here is also HNO, and it was earlier also HNO. But here the structure is, it was C, then one electron is shared with O, and O's another electron was shared with H. This is for alcohol. For alcohol, oxygen's electrons are octet is satisfied by sharing one electron with carbon and one electron with hydrogen. So here oxygen's one electron is shared with carbon. We are not showing the binding between H. So H hydrogen's one electron is shared with oxygen. So this was alcohol. And in case of aldehyde, now how aldehyde is different from alcohol? Here carbon atom, two electrons are shared with oxygen and one electron is shared with hydrogen. This is the bonding between carbon, oxygen and hydrogen in aldehyde. Here is, so don't get confused. Here also OH and here we are writing HO. So what is the difference between them? Here oxygen says one electron is shared, one with carbon and one with hydrogen. But here oxygen double bond is shared with carbon and single bond is shared with hydrogen. And this group is always present at the end. Any of the end, at one end only. Present only at end. So we are using suffix for naming part. We are using the suffix as from alkane, substitute E with Al. Aldehydes is Al. So first carbon atom. So first with one carbon atom, one carbon. With that we already have to connect double bond O and single bond H. Now how many electrons left out for this carbon? One electron only left out. So that one electron is connected with the H. So it is HCHO. You can't write OH. HC. This H and this part is CHO. So HCHO, one carbon atom. So alkane is methane. E is substituted with Al. So name is methanol. Clear? Now with two carbon atoms. Second group, second element of the group, two carbon atoms. To the last carbon atom, we have to connect double bond O and single bond H. Now this carbon left out. This carbon says 4 electrons are already shared. So now this carbon says 3 electrons left. So 3 electrons are shared with hydrogen. So this is written as CH3CHO. Name is two carbon atom. So alkane name is ethane. E is substituted with Al. Ethanol. Then with 3 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. Last carbon atom double bond O, single bond H. This carbon atom, 2 are shared, so left out 2. Those are shared with hydrogen. Then 3 with hydrogen. So the compound is CH3, CH2, CHO. This is called condensed formula where half expansion. Only carbon-carbon bonding we are showing, hydrogen bonding we are not showing. This is called condensed formula. And the name is, it is propane. So propanol. Clear? So now draw the structure of butanol and pentanol. Ronak, butanol and pentanol done?
Ma'am, we should do, ma'am, those two.
Yes, you have to draw the structures of butanol and pentanol.
I'll do, ma'am.
Completed? Tanya completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Arvind done? Vismay done?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranika, Shreya, Yuvika? Two more compounds?
Yes, ma'am.
So, is the difference between OH and HO? Is that clear? OH means alcohol and CHO, that is aldehyde. Then the third one is ketone. Acetone, have you heard word? Chemical name acetone. Nail polish remover. That is the first compound of this series, ketone. Okay, now here the functional group is double bond O. So C double bond O, this is the functional group. Now this carbon atom is connected to two more carbon atoms. It is always present in middle. That means either side of this carbon should have two carbon atoms, not hydrogen atom. Why? Because if you connect here hydrogen, what will happen?
Becomes aldehyde.
This is aldehyde structure. So this is not possible. Right? Any one of the end, here also or here also. If you connect one of the hydrogen, other than carbon, hydrogen if you connect, then it will become aldehyde. So therefore it is different from aldehyde. So it is C double bond O, but this C is connected to any number of carbon atoms. It is not needed exactly at the middle. It is only mandatory that is C, this carbon atom to which this double bond O is connected, it should be in between two carbon atoms. This side any number of carbon atoms is possible. This side any number of carbon atoms is possible. Clear? So, and the naming suffix used for alkane, E is replaced with ONE. E is replaced with ONE. So first carbon atom with one carbon doesn't work. Two carbon also doesn't work. So it always starts with three carbon atoms, because that C double bond O should be in between two carbon atoms. So that means the minimum structure can start with three carbon atoms. And now this carbon has been 2 electrons, 3 and 4. 4 electrons are shared. So no hydrogen is connected to this one. Left out this carbon atom, 3 electrons are shared with hydrogen. And this carbon shared with hydrogen. So the structure is CH3, CO, CH3. And name, it is which alkane? 3 carbon atom alkane is
Propane.
propane. Now it is E replaced with ONE, propanone, and this is acetone. Now with 4 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anywhere you can connect double bond O. Here. Now this carbon atom, 3 hydrogens. This carbon atom already 4 electrons done. 2 with hydrogen, 3 hydrogens. Okay, so structure is CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. Here it is a 4 carbon atom, so butane, E replaced with ONE, butanone. With now next is 5 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anywhere double bond. O, double bond O. So here 3 hydrogen atoms. Here are 2 hydrogen atoms. 3 hydrogen atoms. So this is CH3, CH2, CH2, CO, CH3. Name is, what's the name?
Pentanone.
Pentanone. Clear?
Instead of connecting with 2 different carbon atoms, can it double bond with one?
Where? Couldn't get?
Instead of connecting with single bond with 2 different ones, can it double bond with one carbon atom?
Double bond with 1 carbon atom. So C double bond O and C double bond C you are telling. No, not possible. 1
Yes.
carbon atom, 2 double bonds, not possible. Okay, so write down ketone. Have you done? Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
The next group, carboxylic acid. Functional group, COOH. Bonding is C, double bond O, OH. C, two O's are connected and one H is connected. So one O is connected with double bond, second O is connected with single bond. And that says electron is another second electron satisfaction by sharing with hydrogen. Clear? Suffix alkane, replace E with oic acid. Oic acid. So first one is with one carbon atom. So one carbon atom, already double bond O, single bond OH is there. Now three electrons are shared. How many left out? One. So that one is shared with hydrogen. So it is written as HCOOH. Name is methane. E substitute with oic acid. What is it? Methanoic acid. Clear what is methanoic acid now? Second one, now with two carbon atoms. To one carbon atom, it is double bond O, single bond OH. And then this carbon says all four electrons are shared. This carbon atom says three are left out. So this will be CH3 COOH. What is it? Ethane. E substitute with oic acid, ethanoic acid, also called as acetic acid, formic acid. Clear? Where was the methanoic acid? You have used it? Where you used methanoic acid?
And slings.
And sting and bites. And CH3COH formula, it might be much more remembered now. Everyone has done mistake in periodic tests. Third with three carbon atoms. Last carbon atom, double bond O, single bond OH. This carbon, two hydrogens. This carbon, three hydrogens. So structure is CH3, CH2, COOH. What is the name? Yes, Pranika, what's the name?
Propanol.
Prope?
Propanoid.
Propanoic acid. It's propanoic acid. Then draw the structure of butanoic acid, pentanoic acid, hexanoic acid.
Ma'am, when would be the test tomorrow?
This morning 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
And the last one is haloalkanes.
Ma'am, tomorrow is light test, right?
Yeah, tomorrow light test.
And will it be only refraction or the full thing?
Refraction.
Okay, ma'am.
From refraction onwards, everything. Lens and refraction all.
Okay.
Haloalkanes, that is hydrogen is replaced with halogens. Hydrogen is substituted with halogens. Now what are halogens? Halo means salt, gen means loving. Halogens, that is salt loving. That is the element which have most of the maximum compound formed is a salt. So those elements we call as halogens. Those are chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. So when hydrogen is replaced by any of these four, then that compound is, that group of compounds is we call as haloalkanes. From the alkanes, the hydrogen from the alkane that happens. If it is a first with one carbon atom, methane, hydrogen, this one hydrogen is replaced with chlorine, CH3Cl. The name is, we are using prefix rather than suffix. So we use the prefix for chlorine, we use chloro, fluorine we use fluoro, bromine is bromo, iodine is iodo, and after that alkane. So it is chloro, and here it is the one carbon atom, so it is alkane name is methane. It is chloromethane. Clear? Two carbon atoms. So it is CH3, CH2Cl. So name is chloroethane. Name is what's the name? Arvind? Yes. What's the name? Brom? Bromo? What? Pentane? How many carbon are there?
3.
So what is the alkane name? With three carbon atoms?
Propane.
Propane. Bromopropane. Now here also more than one halogens can get connected. 3 hydrogen, chlorine, 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 hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Now here it is the same thing. We have to write the position. This chlorine is closer to this end. So this is 1, this is 2. So it is 1, 1, 2. 3 chlorine are there. This is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. There are 3 chlorines. So 1, 1, 2. Trichloropropane. Clear? Draw the structure of dichlorobutane. Draw structure of 2,2-dichlorobutane. 2,3, 2,2,3 tribromobutane. Draw the structure. 2 minutes. Done, Tanya? Can you show me?
Yes, ma'am.
2,2-dichlorobutane. 2,2-dichlorobutane, right? And below one, 2,2,3-trichlorobutane, right? Very good. Yuvika, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me. In a video only you can show. I can see. 2,2-dichlorobromo. Right. Yeah. Yes, right. Yeah. Tanya, you have done chloro in the second one. It is bromo.
Yes, ma'am.
Yuvika, you are right. Shreya,
Yes, ma'am.
can you show? You have drawn the structure of propane. It's not butane, the first part. No, lower one. The upper one you have shown me. The lower two.
Ma'am,
In the first part, one H you have left.
ma'am, and dichlorobutane.
Yeah. This one, second one, this one part. That is chlorine part. Chlorine you have drawn. 2,2-dichloro.
Okay, ma'am.
The carbon atom, one chlorine you have connected, one hydrogen you left.
Okay, ma'am, I got it.
Okay. Fine. All this clear? Structures clear to you? So these are all homologous series. So all these series of compounds, they have the similar functional group. So these are called as homologous series. So all these group of compounds are called as homologous series. Okay, clear? So now you can leave. Next class, we already have finished this chapter, environment. After homologous series definition has to be written, and then our environment we will start. Okay, in the next class. So it will be done. Then after that we will start revisions. Okay, so tomorrow 9 o'clock, refraction test. So definitions of refraction, lenses, both will be there with numericals. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, then you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 Okay.